Hello, good night. We come to present our conversation about soccer, where I, Hernan, and his servant Ivan.
Hello, you should have seen the ball taken this afternoon, but you didn't. What happened?
Horsay, I could haven't take. It was with the other time number and the preferring tax take it.
Yes, but you could see he was able to take it, and the next time it will be this turn, as long as it was their turn.
You're right, friend. I'm sorry. I thought it was time for him to take it.
Yes, but who called it what happened? That everyone else got upset about this, and the team separate just because of this.
The next vex, try to make a listed be able to have order in the trans of the people what have to carry the ball.
Excellent idea. This way there will be no problems between partners.
That's right. The next afternoon, I brought the elaborate list to 7 what do you time.
Sounds good. And I'll talk we shouldn't bother about something like this.
That's right. We'll see you later. I'll make the list as soon as possible.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.